here is your contact information, branding, as well as information on your time zone, location, and base currency. Starting with contact information, let's go ahead and click Change. As you can see, you can edit your legal name, display name, contact information, as well as any additional websites you would like our customers and vendors to see. Any other additional information as far as the type of business you have, as well as the industry involved. Below contact information, you will see a section for uploading your logo. This can be either in a JPEG, PNG, or GIF format, and needs to be less than 1 megabyte in size. And it does need to be at least 400 pixels wide to look best. Below that, you will have an option for changing your accent color. This is based off of color hex codes. We do recommend using this if you are going with one of our preset invoice templates. If you are using a custom-made invoice template, this section may not affect those, as those are subject to your team's coding. And finally, below branding, you'll see localization. Let's go ahead and click Change on that. Here you will see your base currency. It is very important that you set your base currency prior to making or uploading invoices. Once you upload invoices that include the data of the currency that you have selected, you are not going to have the option to change this again. In the event that you use multiple currencies, or in the event that you may have chosen the wrong base currency up here, you can activate multi-currency. This is normally off at the account creation, so you will need to come here to turn this on. Multi-currency will allow the option for you to select a different currency at the time when you are creating an invoice. Please keep in mind you cannot edit that currency once the invoice is created, so you would have to recreate an invoice with the correct currency if the wrong one, or if the default is the wrong one, is currently selected. Below that, you can select whether or not you want your prefixes to be set symbols, or if you want them to be specific codes. Below that, we do have an option for selecting your date format. Now, date formats are very specific. As you can see here, they are following a set of alphabetic characters as well as various positions. So please make sure to read over this if you do need to make this change. Another important thing that you would want to make sure is set up prior to putting any invoices or any customers into the account is your time zone. The time zone can be changed at any time, but if you alter your time zone, it may affect your reporting, it may affect your subscription billing, or any invoices that are due, so do keep that in mind. And lastly, your default language for any front-facing customer communications. So that's going to include automated emails, what they see on their customer portal, and of course their invoices that you send.